Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DirecTV satellite bill pay easy access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for DirecTV. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the website. Once the DirecTV homepage loads, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to a login page. Enter your username in the first field. Next, type in your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check both entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your login details, click on the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your account information. Once your information is entered, click the Sign In button. This will take you to your account dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the Billing or Bill Pay section. Click on that section to proceed with payment options. Review your bill details on the screen. Select your preferred payment method. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information. Confirm the payment amount before finalizing. Once everything looks correct, click the Submit Payment button. You will receive a confirmation message once your payment is processed. Make sure to log out of your account for security reasons. Close the browser window once you're done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.